Hello viewers, I am Sweetie and I welcome you on my channel. Today we will be making a game. Basically this is a word making game or vocabulary building game, and this can be played by any age group. This can also be used as a teaching aid by teachers as well as parents, and there are many more benefits of it. And today's video will be divided into two parts, so make sure you watch the full video so that you can understand what the video is all about. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to make word making game or vocabulary building game, first you have to take a sheet like this. I have taken A4 size sheet. You can take A3 size sheet as well, and you can take any color sheet. So I'm making this game for 3 players, so that's why I have taken one sheet. You can take sheet according to the number of players or students. Now we have to divide this sheet into 3 equal parts, as I'm making this game for 3 players, right? So this sheet is of 30 centimeter, so we will divide the sheet into 10 centimeters for each player, right? So let's draw the line, and we will divide the sheet by drawing the line only. Now we have to make more boxes in each player's box, and same thing we will repeat in other 2 boxes as well. So let's make more boxes, and how we are gonna make these boxes, right? So first you have to think of any big English word. So you can choose any big English word, at least of 5 to 6 letter, right? So I have chosen consequence, right, which is 11 letter words. So we have to make at least 11 boxes for each player's box, right? So let's make the boxes. So to save my time, I've already prepared sheet for all my 3 players. This is for first player, this is for second one, and this is for third player, right? So I have chosen a word consequence. You can choose any big English word, at least of 5 to 6 letter. So we are going to write the letters of consequence in each boxes, right? So let me show you how we have to write that. You can also write consequences, right? So let's write, we can write so that our this box will not be wasted. So same thing you have to repeat for other 2 players, right? So let's write it. Right, so I have written all the letters of the consequences for each player, right? We have made for 3 players. Now you can laminate it, right? So I am going to laminate this with the help of sellotape, so that we can make it last long, and we can actually increase the life of this game. You can laminate from the back side as well. You can laminate with a lamination machine as well. By this we can actually increase the life of this game. Now we have prepared this game for all 3 players, but it is not fully prepared. What we have to do next, we have to cut all the letters for all 3 players, right? The word of the consequence letters should be cut for all 3 players. So let's cut it. Now we have to cut all the letters of this word, right? So let's do it. You can see here I have cut all the letters of this word consequences. Now we have to repeat the same thing with other 2 boxes, right? You can see here I have cut all the letters from the word consequences, and make sure you keep all these letters for each player separately. Don't mix it up. So our game is ready. You can see Now how to play this game? So to play this game you have to give this word letters to each player. That means the consequences letters you have to give to each player and ask them to make as many words as they can make in 3 minutes. Right? You have only 3 minutes and you only have to make meaningful words. Right? And whatever words you are making, you have to hide it from your counter player and you have to write it somewhere so that you can keep a record of what you are making. So let's play this game, and before playing this game you have to write in the comment section below how many words you have made. Right? The word should be meaningful. Right? So we have 3 minutes. So here I have a stopwatch. I will start this once we start playing this game. So let's begin playing this game, and do write in the comment section below after 3 minutes how many words you have made. Right? So this is not for me. I'm going to give it to another players. So let's begin playing this game, but first I need to start this. So here I have a stopwatch, and the stopwatch will run for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes I'm going to stop this, and let's see how many words I can make. So
3, 2,
all right, so
1.
quickly. So consequences was the word, no? So first word I have made con. So let's write. You can also play this game along with me. Let's see how many words you can make. Sequence can also be formed, right? Sequence. Right? Sequence and sequences, 2 words. Sequence, sequences. All right. So next what I can make, yeah. So after removing C from con, we can make on. So this is another word. By reversing it, we can make no. All right. Like this we can make, I think you was also there, yes. So it would be us. Yes. So I think you are enjoying this game. This is enjoyable as well as you can learn something new. I think yes. C. S-E-E. C. This is another word we have made. Now with N it will become seen. So time is running quickly, we have to do it. Seen. U was there, N was there, so it will become unseen. Yippee, another word. Quickly, quickly, time is running. What other word we can make? No we made, no? So nose, yes. E is also there. Remember you have to use only this much letters. This many letters you have to use, you cannot use another letters, right, to make any kind of meaningful word. So nose we have made, and what other word we can make? See, when time is running na, your minds actually stop working, so never mind. Seen. C was also there. S-C-E-N-E. Yippee, another word. So seen. Okay. What another word we can make? We have E-N. No, we have already made. New can we make? No. W is not there, na? So we cannot make. So cop can also not made because we don't have P. I think time. See, you can see, stop. So it's 12 seconds more, but doesn't matter. So let's see how many words I have made. Let's count it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's count it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 words I could made in 3 minutes. So how many words you have made, do write in the comment section below, and I hope you have liked today's video. So do give it a thumbs up if you have liked this video, and subscribe to my channel to never miss an update. I'll meet you in next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Have a great day. Bye bye.